What y'all think about my hat? Y'all like it? It's cute. It got the little ears. I got this off the TikTok shop. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Syd. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3, guys. Yes, Vlogmas Day 3. I'm out with Babe. We're going to get an early dinner. And we are at Longhorn's. Yes, it's one of Babe's favorite spots. So we're at Longhorn's. And then I do have to run back to Target because remember the sweatsuit that I bought yesterday from Target, the pants were definitely too small. So I'm going to exchange them at a different Target because they said they have a medium in stock. So I'm going to go there after we eat. And then I don't know, we might get into some other things. Who knows what we might be doing today. So, you know, I'm starting my vlogs off late. Yeah, because it's like 4 o'clock, okay? And it's getting dark already, y'all. So dark, and it's cold. It's 39 degrees. Earlier today, it was like 28 degrees. It was freezing. It was 39 degrees. It's 4 o'clock, and we're going to eat, and then go to Target, and a few other places. So, guess who's hanging out with me today? My citizens. Thank y'all so much for clicking on my face. It's gonna be my thumbnail. So y'all, dinner was good. It wasn't fancy. It's just like one of our favorite spots to go. Like last minute. Don't ever have to have a reservation. It's never super busy in there. It's just the perfect place. And the food is always tastes the same. But I did go to exchange the sweatsuit because the pants were way too tight. I didn't like how the shirt was fitting. So I'm definitely going to try that on with y'all. I know you can see that pile of clothes over here. That is a whole bunch of stuff that I had to do for TikTok. So I'm actually going to sort through it, and I probably will most likely give some of the stuff away because I don't have space for all this stuff. So, but some of it I already did some of the videos, and then some of it I still have to do a few more videos. But I'm going to get like one of those containers to put it in, and then like sort through it and start giving it away. And some of the items I got like doubles. I don't know if they meant to send me doubles, but they definitely sent me doubles. So a couple of them I gave to like my son's girlfriend. And I'm just going to probably first give it away to like some of my family members. And then, you know what I mean? Then I'll just start like giving it to like either the Goodwill or people I know, most likely. So, yeah. That's what I've been doing all day today. I did a couple videos for TikTok. Yeah, and then I exchanged my pants and the top. So I didn't feel like, I don't never want to try on stuff in the store, but I did get a medium, and then I got the top in a, because the top that I had was an extra small, and the pants were small. So I exchanged the pants for a medium, and then I got the top in a small. This is the top, and then here's the pants. So I'm going to try them on and then let y'all see like if they fit or not. So look at the top. This is a small, y'all. Can y'all see? This is a small. Look how big the top is. I wanted it big, and I wanted the pants bigger. So the top is super oversized. This is the look I was going for with this. But the pants are still giving like not, the pants are not doing what I want them to do. Like I wanted the pants to be like super baggy. Like remember like when we used to wear, well, I don't know, people still do wear, when I used to wear like Victoria's Secret pink outfits, the pants used to be like baggy, and because they said these are oversized, I thought a medium would be perfect. Now I think I want to take them back and get a large because I want them to be like super baggy. I want it to be like cozy, comfy, oversized. And I don't think the pants, the shirt is perfect, the pants is just still not big enough. So these are medium. I think I'm gonna go up to a large. So another trip back to Target. I learned my lesson. I'm going to start trying stuff on when I'm in there, because just to get the perfect fit, I have to go to Target for a third time. So yeah, so they don't fit. They fit, but they don't fit the way I want them to fit. The top is perfect, but the bottoms are they don't fit the way I want them to. So I'm definitely going to return these tomorrow, and yeah, I'm going to return them tomorrow, just exchange them for a large. They did have a couple larges and extra larges in stock, so that's what I'll be doing tomorrow, and a few other things. I'm definitely going to get my nails done because I have a broken nail. Yeah, broken nail, so I definitely got to get them. And I think I'm going to go with like medium short, and either going to do burgundy or red. I think I'm gonna go more on the burgundy side. Yeah, I think I am. That's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do burgundy. My camera's a little upside, y'all. There we go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do burgundy instead of red. I was gonna do candy apple red, but I think I'm just do like burgundy nails, and then build my outfits. Probably just nudes for vacation. My t-shirts, sweatsuits like this, because it's not super hot in Florida, so I'm not going to have too many pair of shorts. Maybe I'll probably wear jeans and t-shirts, so it'll work out for me. Yep, so now I'm just about to go chill out with babe, watch a movie. I'm not sure how long this vlog is. Hopefully it's long enough to post, because if it's not at least 25 minutes, I can't upload no 50. I guess I could do 15 minutes. But I need to like clean off my space. This is a mess. It's out of control, y'all. I need some help. I need some free help. Like free help, come clean up my closet help. I think I just heard babe come in, got me some snacks to watch a movie. Girl, have y'all been watching Real Housewives of Potomac? Drop a comment below if y'all watch Potomac. Oh my goodness, they are a hot mess. And they're starting to get messy. I didn't used to like it because it wasn't messy enough for me, because I like watching other people's mess. I don't like to be in mess or start any drama, but I will watch a messy A show, okay? Yes, I will. That's the only drama I want, the kind that I can click on and off. Click, click, click. Yes. But I will watch that kind of drama, that kind of mess. I will watch on TV. I just don't want to be involved in no mess or no drama. Feel me? So, I'm about to close out this vlog. Oh, I do want to unbox something with y'all. I do have something that I want to unbox before I close out the vlog. This is an early Christmas present to myself, and it is from Apple. That I am going to open up with y'all. I got a new Beats pill. I remember I was so in love with the Beats pill. I had a little red one. It got messed up. It was old or whatever. And then my son, he had a big one. And they recalled them. I didn't even know they started making them again. So now I have a new one. And it's in gold. It's so cute. Let's open it up. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. I think I'm going to put it downstairs, because I already have like a Google speaker in my closet here. So I don't know where I'm going to put this one, but I wanted it because it was gold. Have gold tones to it. So and I like to travel. Like when we go on cruises, I like to take a portable speaker. Look how cute this is. Let's get a thumbnail. Oh, I should have did it with the box. Let me do it with the box. Y'all, why didn't y'all remind me to do a thumbnail? I'm supposed to say, Sid, get your thumbnail first. I'm dropping it. I don't want to break it. Y'all slacking. Y'all didn't even tell me to get my thumbnail. Gotta put it back in the box and do a thumbnail. And now I can't close it properly. We're gonna get this thumbnail, girl. Let me take off the face tracker because it'll be blowing me. Thumbnail. Now with all that stuff in my background. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, it's a mess back there. There we go. So yeah, this is my new my new gadget, and I cannot wait to use it. Here it is, guys. Let me get it open. Got the instructions. Why is it in this box like that? Okay. Is it charged already? Is it charged? It is so cute. Look at this. So mine was smaller than this. And I think my son, the one he had, was bigger than this. So I guess they did like a in-between size. No, it's not charged. Oh, it's charged. Oh, yes, connect. It went straight to my phone. Look. It went straight to my phone. Connect. Connecting. Look. That's so cute. Media control calls is 60%. The battery. I'm gonna charge it. I'm not gonna play no music though, because I'm not trying to get copyright. Oh, and then it comes with like the little instructions, the QR code. I guess if you have to scan it, if it don't pick up on your phone, have all of that. Comes with a charger, and you know what? It don't come with a block. Nothing comes with a charging block anymore, which is so crazy to me. And this is C-type, C to C, but it didn't come with a charging block, y'all. Nothing comes with a... Can we get some charging blocks? Like, what? Why didn't it come with a charging block? Because I could charge it to my laptop or something. I have plenty of them, but it's still, as much as this stuff costs, like your phones don't come with charging blocks anymore. Like, where they do that at? Alright, guys, that is it for Vlogmas Day 3. I will catch y'all tomorrow. Night, night.